Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the brand new rod skin for free that called Desert Cactus in Phase 8. So, in this latest update, you can actually get a new rod skin that called Desert Cactus. And to getting it is pretty simple. First, just head over to the new island in Phase 8, the Copper Canyon like this, and then next just meet the MP, and then next just meet the Serif NPC, this one near the dog bike here, and then just talk to him and then accept the quest like this, and for this quest you need to catch two specific fish: outlaw seahorse and then bandit octopus. These two fish. And then just keep in mind that both of these fish are legendary tier, so make sure you are using one of your stronger rods. I recommend using at least something like a spin rod or better to make things easier. And the good thing is you can catch both of these fish directly on this Copper Canyon, just at this island. And then you can also use luck totems or luck potions to increase your chances and get this fish faster. And once you catch both fish and finish the quest, you will automatically get this fishing rod. This one, Desert Cactus, and it will look like this. I think it's so cool like this. You can see it's really like a cactus. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.